Fixing a paper jam in HP OfficeJet Pro 7720, 7730, and 7740 wide format all-in-one printer series. If you receive a paper jam error message on your printer control panel, remove any jams to clear the error and resume printing. Check the input tray, ink cartridge access area, and rear of the printer and remove any jammed paper. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord and any other cables. Unplug the other end of the power cord from the power source. Slide out the input tray and remove it from the printer. Check inside the input tray area with a flashlight and remove any paper. Open the ink cartridge access door. Slide the carriage all the way to the right, then all the way to the left, and remove any obstructions. Shine a flashlight into the ink cartridge access area and check the right side of the carriage path. Remove any paper or obstructions. Then check the left side of the carriage path and remove any paper or obstructions. Close the ink cartridge access door. Go to the back of the printer and squeeze the two tabs on the rear access door, then lower the door. Squeeze the two tabs on the paper path cover and remove it from the printer. Remove any paper using two hands if possible. Squeeze the two tabs and insert the paper path cover back into the printer. Close the rear access door. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord and any other previously attached cables to the printer. The printer turns on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Load paper and reinsert the input tray. On the printer's control panel, touch OK. Try to print your document. If the error persists, try to clear the jam using different media. Slide out the input tray. Remove the paper in it. Load media into the tray that is thicker than normal printer paper, such as photo paper or cardstock. Slide the paper width and length guides inward until they touch the edge of the media. Do not adjust the guides so tightly that they bend the media. Slide in the input tray. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm the size and type of paper, or touch Modify to adjust the settings to match the paper you loaded. Touch Copy and then touch Document. Remove any paper from the automatic document feeder or any paper on the scanner bed. Touch Copy. A blank copy prints. The thick media travels through the printing path, pushing out any trapped paper and debris. Load your original paper type into the input tray and try to print your document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you receive a document feeder jam error message, clear the jam from the document feeder and scanner bed. Lift the cover of the ADF or automatic document feeder. Remove any jammed paper from the rollers. Then close the ADF cover. Open the ADF tray, and then remove any jammed paper from under the tray. Close the ADF tray. Open the scanner lid, and then remove any jammed paper from the scanner area. Close the scanner lid. Touch OK on the printer control panel. Try to copy or scan again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Contact HP Support for the service and support options for your printer.